Rainbow quilts are a vibrant way to add color and cheer to any room. Whether you're an experienced quilter or just starting out, there's a rainbow pattern that's perfect for you. Today we'll explore some of the best free rainbow quilt patterns available online. First up is the Strip and Flip Baby Quilt from Cluck Cluck Sew. This beginner-friendly pattern is ideal for a quick weekend project. Using colorful fabric strips, you can create a bright and cheerful quilt measuring 36 by 41 inches. It's a great way to use up fabric scraps and create something beautiful for a little one. For those who love a modern twist, check out the Pixel Rainbow Quilt by Sarah Ashford. This design is constructed entirely from squares of plain fabrics, making it an excellent first patchwork project for beginners. The finished quilt measures 60 inches square, creating a bold statement piece for any room. If you're up for a challenge, consider the Cascading Rainbow Quilt designed by Elise Leah. This pattern uses half-square triangles to create colorful star polygons. It's best suited for intermediate to experienced quilters and results in a stunning 54 by 66 inch quilt. For a fun and whimsical option, try the Rainbow Showers quilt. This adorable pattern features a fluffy rain cloud, bright colored raindrops, and an umbrella, all framed by rainbow-hued borders. It's a perfect wall, hanging for a child's room, and a great way to brighten up any space. Lastly, we have the Over the Rainbow Quilt by Emily Herrick. This advanced pattern uses orange peel quilt blocks to create interlocking circles. The fusible appliqué technique makes for efficient assembly, and the finished quilt measures 56 by 70 inches. Rainbow quilts are a wonderful way to express creativity and bring joy into your home. With so many free patterns available, there's never been a better time to start your colorful quilting journey. Pick a pattern that speaks to you, gather your fabrics, and let your imagination soar as you create your own rainbow masterpiece. Want more rainbow quilt patterns to color your quilting world? Find a vibrant spectrum of designs at ilovequiltingforever.com.